So taking the same 3 cubes from earlier where we've solved the yellow tops, we're now going to solve the corners. If you're lucky, the corners will already be solved. We can see here that all the corners are perfect. We'll leave that one. If we're half lucky, then we'll get 2 on the same side that are solved, but the other 2 aren't. I'll put that on here. And the unluckiest case, which means we're going to do this move twice, is where we have alternate ones that are solved. But no other pairs. We can see here that no other pairs are solved, just this one and the one diagonally opposite it. If that's the case, we put the solved one at the back left and the other one at the front right. And I call this move the L move because it makes lots of L's. So right side down, there's an L. Put the L to the bottom to make it lie down. Right side down again. We get a white L. Double spin the back face, so we get a capital L, just backwards. Then we start undoing those moves. So what do we undo to start with? The right, there's our lying L. The front face, there's our L on the side. But then we change our mind and bring that L back down to the bottom to get our capital L back. Let's undo the capital L, double spin the back. And then we can see that this white will double spin it back to the bottom. We now have 2 corners correct, just like the cube I had here earlier. So let's now put those 2 that are solved at the back and the 2 that aren't at the front. And we follow that move again, the L move. So L on the side, lie the L on the bottom, right side down again. Double spin the back to get the capital L. Start undoing those moves. Undo the right lying L, but change your mind, bring the right back down, undo the capital L, and then bring the white, as we can see, back down to the bottom. All the corners now correct.